A very good afternoon to all. This is Professor Asif Iqbal. Welcome you again for the my channel Motivational Asif Iqbal. आज मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ एक सबसे important topic that is related to each and every student, that is the life or the zindagi after your engineering. We can see so many students are studying here for their final exams. उनके अंदर अभी टेंशन है, पर यही सेम स्टूडेंट्स जब मैं लेके जाता हूँ आफ्टर द एग्जाम्स, देयर टेंशन इज टोटली रिलीव्ड. एक अहम एस्पेक्ट ये भी है कि स्टूडेंट्स अभी जो है दे आर कंप्लीटिंग देयर गोल्डन लाइफ एंड नेक्स्ट फेज दे आर एंटरिंग, दैट इज द लाइफ ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ओके, मैं अभी जाता हूँ एक स्टूडेंट्स के पास, देखते हैं कि सबका प्लान क्या है इंजीनियरिंग के बाद, ताकि हर एक स्टूडेंट अपने पेरेंट्स को सपोर्ट कर सके, आगे बढ़ सके और अपनी लाइफ में को सक्सेसफुल और कामयाब बना सके. Here I can see the students who are studying for their life in their final exams. Let's go to them. अब जाते हैं उनके साथ और बात करते हैं उनका ज़िंदगी के बारे में या फिर उनके लाइफ के बारे में, क्या उनका फ्यूचर प्लान्स है. ओके, गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स. गुड आफ्टरनून सर. Good afternoon to all. Okay, sorry to disturb you, but one thing I just want to ask you now, that what do you want to do after your engineering?
Preparation for civil service examination, sir.
Preparation for civil services examination, a very good aim of one of the students. Can you tell your name and from the which branch you are coming?
Adarsh Algur, sir, from civil branch.
Adarsh Algur from civil branch, who is an aspiring student to do for the IAS as well as IPS coaching. We wish you all the best for your exams. I am discussing with another students. Can you tell me your name?
Avinash Kambogi, sir.
Avinash, what do you want to do after your engineering?
M.Tech, sir.
M.Tech, he want to go for the higher study. Okay, good ideology he has got. What is your future plan? What do you want to become in your life?
Preparation for IAS exam, sir. IAS exams.
IAS exam. He want to go for Indian Engineering Services. Okay, see, you can see that so many students of us are aiming very high. I hope that they should achieve their dreams in their life. Okay, thank you Avinash for your valuable time.
Thanks.
Okay, here again I see some group of students who are studying for their final year exams. I think that this is the last day of holding their books. I just want to inquire them or ask them that what are their future plans after engineering. Okay, can you tell me your name?
Anil Kumar, sir.
Anil Kumar, from which branch?
Civil branch, sir.
Civil branch. Okay, what do you want to do after your engineering?
Designing, sir. Contract designing.
He want to become a contractor. Okay, see, you can see the difference in the aim. Somebody want to become an IAS officer, somebody want to become do his M.Tech, and he want to become a contractor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we wish you all the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, here I am sitting with some of the students from computer science branch. Can you tell your name?
Shivanand, sir.
Shivanand.
Om.
Badrish, Shivanand, Om and Badrish. I think that Badrish is the student whom I am taught in first year also. Okay, can you tell me your future plans, Shivanand?
Future plans, I want to become a software designer, sir.
So he want to become a software designer. Okay, Om, what is your future plan after engineering?
I want to build a startup company, sir.
Yes, entrepreneurs. He want to become like Bill Gates. He want to become Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, good aim. What our students are having. Software designer. Okay, see, so many things students are telling, their ideologies are different, everybody has having a different aim. One thing I just want to ask you, today is the last day of your almost engineering life, and today you are in the race of the world. How you feel, whether you are feeling good or bad?
Feeling good, sir, but missing the college days, sir.
Missing the college days, as we tell is that the student life is a golden life.
Yes, yes.
Okay, how much miss your college?
More, sir. Canteen is more, sir.
Badrish,
We will miss canteen.
canteen. Badrish, how much you miss your friends?
More, sir.
More. Okay, he wish his friends is more. Okay, I wish from my channel as well as from my side that your future should be bright and you should achieve all the success in your life. Thank you very much. Again, I can see here there is a group of students who is almost studying very seriously. You can see here. Let's go to them and see how important they feel about their engineering life. Come on. First of all, wish you a best of luck for your exams. Thank you. Okay, the next thing what I am asking is that I think today is the last day of your engineering career, and tomorrow you are there in the market in the race of the life. Whether you are feeling good or bad.
Good, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, how much you miss your engineering life?
We'll miss both, sir.
बोलो हिंदी में बोलो.
नहीं सर, मतलब बहुत मिस कर सकते हैं.
मिस करेंगे सर.
मिस करेंगे. How much you miss your college friends? Yes.
College friends definitely we will miss, sir.
Okay, then how much you miss your classes?
Classes, sir.
क्लासेस तो इतना मिस नहीं करते सर है, पर फ्रेंड्स को बहुत मिस करते हैं सर। यहाँ
सही।
फन गिनना और कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ होती है ना सर,
Yes.
वो मिस करते हैं।
Very good. Then what are your future plans?
M.Tech sir.
MTech. Okay. What about your future plans?
फील्ड में जाना करो।
Field में जाना. Yes, very good plan. And what about you?
Searching jobs sir.
Searching job. Okay. Yes.
सर कम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए ट्राई
Yes, very good. Competitive exam जाना चाहता है, कोई जॉब के लिए जाना चाहता है. Nice.
Job sir.
Job. Okay, you are from which branches? Civil branch. Okay, I wish all the students of civil engineering a very best of luck. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Here I am coming with the group of students who are almost preparing for their end exams, and I think today is the last day at which they are studying, and tomorrow onwards they are almost in the market enjoying or in the struggle of life. I just want to ask one of the student, can you tell your name?
Shreya Kolli,
From which branch?
civil branch.
Civil branch. Can you tell me that how much you miss your college?
Yeah, sir, we are really going to miss our college and we are enjoying a lot here.
Yes.
And we are missing our lecturers and their scoldings.
Yes. Because it is truly told that the student life is the golden life. Okay. What's your name?
Suraj.
Suraj. Suraj, can you tell me what do you want to do after your engineering?
I need to start my business.
Business. Okay, you want to be a business person. Yes, very good. Here I am with the student who are almost seriously preparing for their exam. So many notes I am seeing here. One is Rohit, my own student from first year, and again is the second is Bhakti, who is from again civil department. Rohit, how much you miss your college?
Actually, the total 4 years I have experienced the professional life here.
Yes.
So because of that, the maturity level in me has been increased.
Okay.
So from 12th to engineering, the changeover, there is a lot of miss here.
Yes.
That's all.
Very good. Bhakti, can you tell me what are your future plans after engineering?
Sir, I want to do MTech.
Then after that, whether you don't want to try for the competitive exams?
No, sir. I not interested. Sir.
Not interested. Then what do you want to become after engineering?
Sir, I will do MTech and teaching field.
Teaching field, yes, she want to go for the most humble and respected field, that is teaching field. Rohit, what do you want to become after engineering?
Sir, I am actually trying for competitive exams,
Very good.
UPSC or else IES professional level, sir.
Yes, UPSC and IAS professional levels. Okay, today is the last day of your almost engineering as well as the student life, and tomorrow you are in the race of the world. How much, whether you are feeling good or bad?
Actually, the emotion is about 50-50%. Feeling bad is the enjoyment we will miss a lot.
Very.
And the 50% is we are standing up in the professional level. So our career, our future plans and all. So many responsibilities we have to take forward.
Yes, very good. Okay, I wish all the best from my side as well as my channel side. Bhakti, all the best. Hope every student is having their own plans. I wish from my side that every student should achieve their goal as well as they should reach the peak of success in their life. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. See, here I am with one of an aspiring student of MTech who is almost about to write his final year exams. His name is Vinayak. As I can tell, he is my own student. Vinayak, what do you want to do after your PG exams?
I wanted to go for a diploma exams, government exams.
Okay, you want to prepare for the government exams. What do you want to become in your life?
Lecturer only.
You want to become a lecturer and...
The inspiration for that.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, he want to become a lecturer in his life. I wish him all the best for his life as well as his career. Thank you, Vinayak. Thank you. Okay, good evening to all. You can see almost the number of students who are going to out of this college, and as well as they start their professional career, and this is almost the end of their particular student life. It may be feeling good or bad also. Let's go and ask each and every student. Okay, with me now Mateen, the final year student of mechanical engineering. Mateen, I just want to ask that how do you feel regarding the completion of your engineering?
Yes, sir, it's a fantastic experience that living here and enjoying the moments and how we have spent the whole of 4 years over here. It's totally unforgettable for entire life, and teaching with under of such excellent faculties which push me in my life, and I would like to thank each and every friend, and I would like to thank each and every faculty for providing me such a kind of excellence through which I can secure a more bright future in my life.
Okay, I wish all the best from myself, my department, as well as from my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now here I'm here with another student who is from final year. He is Mr. Kaif from mechanical department. I just want to ask you, Kaif, what do you want to do after your engineering?
Sir, after completion of my engineering, I am planning many more things. I have set, with respect to the environment, I have set goals. As the environment is changing, like this pandemic is there. So initially, I am finding for a job. After everyone who does engineering, everyone is thinking about how to get a job, Why we are not thinking about how to give a job?
Very good.
So we want that to be developed in our engineering life, so that we can accomplish many goals. And I would like to thank all of you of my college departments, faculties, and all my friends. Also, I have come through many of the jigs and ups and downs in my academic. My college teachers also helped me a lot. Also, the environment is very good for our knowledge. Also, practical knowledge also we have done.
I am here with one of my favorite student, ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀಪ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡ
ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡೀನಿ ರೀ KPSC ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದೇನಿ ರೀ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ನೇವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡೀನಿ ರೀ. ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದೇನು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Here I am getting some of the student, they have excelled in their career in such a way that almost I feel that the job is waiting for them. We just want to ask Salman Ali, what do you want to do after your engineering?
I have many dreams, not of mine actually of my parents. So I want to fulfill my dreams of my parents.
Are you going to attempt any of the competitive exams?
Yes, of course. After this, today this was our last day in our college. From today onwards, we are going to prepare for GATE exam.
Yes.
So, inshallah, in upcoming GATE, definitely we will try to score highest marks so that we can get some admission in IITs. So that's our first dream.
Very good, very good. Salman Ali, आपने क्या सोचा है about the competitive exams?
हाँ, मैं भी सोचा हूँ गेट अगली बार तो दिया नहीं था, इस बार तो दिया नहीं था, अगली बार इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर देता हूँ.
Okay, I hope that you should acquire much more success in your life as well as in your all the dreams what you have thought of, and I hope that you are the deserving candidate so as to qualify for the GATE. Don't miss that chance. Okay, all the best from my side. Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, here I am with one of my students from coming all the way from Bihar. He is Mr. Sham Nishad. Sham, आप इंजीनियरिंग के बाद क्या करना चाहते हो?
सर मेरा इंजीनियरिंग का ड्रीम है UPSC क्लियर करने का.
UPSC क्लियर करना है, एंड आई फील दैट यू आर डिजर्विंग. उसके लिए आप क्या क्या प्रिपेयर करने वाले हो?
सर इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं अभी तो कोविड-19 है, जिसकी वजह से हम किसी कोचिंग में ज्वाइन नहीं हो सकते हैं. तो घर पे जाने के बाद हम जो भी NCERT की बुक जो होती हैं, पहले बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. तो NCERT की बुक लेके हम प्रिपेयर शुरू करूँगा सर.
Okay, as the history tells is that majority of the IPS and IAS officer are coming from Bihar, and hope that you are the one among them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Shyam ji.